Chinese traditional cuisine enjoys a long history, and it is very popular worldwide due to its varieties and rich flavors. Now let me show you some of them. Welcome to the Chinese food street. The new restaurant is open. Let's check it out. Hot pot. Let's prepare the hot pot. Quail egg. Hot pot meatball. Quail egg. Quail egg. Lettuce. Enoki. Enoki. Shrimp. Shrimp. Be sure to remove the dark line from the shrimp. Hot pot meatball. Beef. Cut scallion. Sliced ginger. Mashed garlic. Mashed chili. Let's start the stir-fry hot pot base. Oil. Spice. Scallion, ginger, and garlic. Chili. Rock sugar. What kind? Copper hot pot. Add the burnt charcoal. Pour in the fried hot pot soup base. It's time for hot pot. The hot pot is ready. Let's try it out. Hot pot. Hot pot is an original Chinese cuisine with a long history. People gather together and eat while they cook. They can not only enjoy the delicious food, but also get close to each other. Tanghulu.
Strawberry, hawthorn, grape, kiwi, peanut, sprinkles, desiccated coconut, peanuts, desiccated coconut, sunflower seeds. Wow, it looks delicious.
Tanghulu. Tanghulu is a traditional Chinese snack. It can also be made of other fruits besides haws. Its sweet and sour taste can really increase your appetite. Tofu.
Let's soak the beans to make the tofu. Grind the beans into a paste. Let's cover it now.
Which kind of tofu would you like to make? Tofu soup. Tofu. Green beans. Shrimp. Salt. Essence of chicken. Chopped scallion. Let's stir it. Tofu soup is ready. Wow, the tofu soup smells great. Let's try it out. Tofu. As the most common soy product, tofu is common food in China that is rich in nutrients and can be cooked in many ways. Roast duck. Let's make roast duck. Brush the sugar water evenly onto the roast duck. Add get some wood to build the fire up some more. Let's start to roast. The roast duck is so hot. Let's cool it down with a fan first. The skin of Peking duck tastes great. Use a knife to slice the skin off. Let's make a pancake of the roast duck. First, the sweet soybean paste. Pick the side dish you like. Lettuce, cucumber, carrot. Roll up the pancake. Scallion, purple radish, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, scallion. The roast duck roll looks so yummy. Serve them to the customers. Roast duck. Roast duck was a royal cuisine in ancient China. It has always been a famous dish in Beijing and also enjoys worldwide fame.